Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing King Bouncelia from Garten of Banban. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off on the top right and let's draw 2 circles on an angle for the eyes. Now inside each one, let's add a curve at the bottom. And then color the top section of each eye in black. Now on the bottom right, let's add the snout and the mouth. Let's start under the right eye and let's draw a small line down. Then curve it out and back in. And then add a curve inside for the nose. Next, let's hop down underneath, let's step in and let's draw a curve down. Then next to it, let's draw a large U-shaped curve down and a smaller one next to it. And then let's bring it over to the left like this. And then inside under the left eye, let's add 2 more bumps. And that's it for the mouth. Now let's hop up and let's draw the ear. Let's start next to the left eye and let's draw 2 curves up coming to a point. Then inside the ear, let's draw 2 curves like this. Now on the right side of the ear, let's add the crown. At the bottom, let's draw a curve across, then curve it up and down. Then let's add 2 more V-shaped spikes. Now let's hop inside and let's draw 2 circles. Next on top, let's draw 3 bumps going across like this. And lastly, a rounded rectangle shape at the top. And that's it for the crown. Now let's finish off drawing the head. On the bottom right of the crown, let's bring it down to the eye. Then let's hop over under the ear and let's curve it down and bring it out to the left. And that's it for the head. Now let's start drawing the body. From the neckline we drew earlier, let's curve it down, stopping here. Now underneath, let's draw the first arm. Let's draw a curve going down. Then for the other side, let's draw a wavy line down like this. Now at the end, let's add the hand. Let's draw 3 V-shaped points over and curve it back in underneath. Now let's hop back up under the head and let's draw another curve down to the arm. Then continue it on the other side over to the left, stopping here. Now let's also continue the line above it, but this time with a curvy line down like this. Now let's hop over on the right side and let's draw the other arm. Let's start with 2 curves going out, and then 3 points at the end for the fingers. Next, let's hop up above the arms and let's draw 3 bumps under the back of the neck. Now at the top here, let's continue that line by bringing it up, over, and down for the back. Now let's hop down and let's draw the first leg. Let's start with a large curve up into the body and back down, leaving it open at the bottom. Then underneath the left side, let's draw a curve down and then a wavy line from the right, making it a little bit shorter. Now let's curve it over to the right and back around to close it off. And add a curve at the end. Now let's draw the other leg behind it. Let's start under the body and let's draw 2 curves down. And then another curve at the end of the foot and back around. And again, a curve inside at the end. And that's it for the legs. Now let's hop back up and finish drawing the body. On the left side of the leg, let's continue the body line by curving it up. Now at the end here, let's add the tail. From the top line, let's curve it over to the left and we're going to swirl it around like this. And then from the bottom line, let's draw one more curve all the way around. And that's it for King Bouncelia. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!